Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Nida Galliano, 29 years old, single mother, have one child, girl, 7 years old.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes.
Okay, so how many years you work in Hong Kong?
First contract, not finish my contract, only 1 year and 3 months. And then second employer, I finished my contract.
Okay, so in your first employer, what is your main duties?
I taking care of one child, 7 years old girl.
And then aside from taking care of the child, what is your other duties?
Cleaning the house, and then washing the clothes and cooking.
Okay, so how about the second employer?
I look up the child again, 9 years old girl, and then clean their house, cooking, car washing.
Did you do the marketing job?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family and also my daughter future.
Okay, so since you have experience working abroad, how can you handle the homesickness situation?
I only focus my work.
Okay, so finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Sir and Madam, I'm Nida Galliano. If you hired me as your helper, I do my best to work in your home and to follow all your rules. And if you hired me, I try my best to finish my contract. To you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.